This is CC, Cycle 1, Week 8, Scripture Memory in Exodus chapter 20. This is the third part that we're breaking apart, verse 5. The words in the CSB, which is what we're using, is punishing the children for the father's iniquities. Okay? So the sign for punishment, you're going to take your dominant hand in a one-hand shape and bring up your non-dominant hand like this. And you've kind of flicked down past your elbow. Say punishing the children. So that's a closed 5-hand shape like this. Punishing the children for the father's iniquity. We're going to do the sign for sin, which is an X hand shape from the sides of the mouth, and you make spiral motions down. Okay? So it's punishing the children for the father's iniquities. Okay? Let's hear it with music.
For I, the Lord your God, am a jealous God, punishing the children for the father's iniquity to the third and fourth.
Okay, and that's week 8.